Alright, this is Miss Noodle not wanting to stay on her play stand at all. And there we go. She flies. Miss Noodle, step up. Yeah, leaning back, not gonna work. Step up. Come on. Alright, back on your play stand. Good girl. Are you gonna come back to Mama? Are you gonna come back to Mama? Yes, you are. My baby girl, she flies. There's no stopping her now. Step up. Good girl. Who's my good girl? Who's my good girl? But it's apple time. Are you gonna eat your apple? Apples. Apples. Num num num. What are you gonna do, Miss Nunu? What are you gonna do? Noodle. My baby girl. What's my baby girl gonna do? Huh? Baby girl? Baby girl. Yeah. You're like, she put me back. I don't want to be on here. I want to be on her head. Or the camera. That was a good landing. Who's a good girl? Perfect landing, baby girl. Alright. We're going to step up because you don't belong on the camera. And the laptop.
Step up, Missy. Step up. Step up.
Noodle, you are just such a brat. Yep, my baby girl. She's moving. She's mobile. Step up. Step up. Good girl.